Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things here happen every day. Here's a couple of things I want to remind you about. So, scholars and families, remember that Monday through Friday from 12 to 2 o'clock, you can pick up bundle meals for breakfast, lunch, and supper through the main entrance. Today, Wednesday, from 4 to 6, you can pick up breakfast, lunch, and supper through the main entrance. And tomorrow, Thursday, from 3 to 5, you can pick up a weekend bundle and a spring break bundle at the parking lot at the back of our school near Harding Street. Also, don't forget that this Friday there's no school on Friday because our teachers have training. And also, next week is spring break, so plan accordingly. And then, remember, we are celebrating Dr. Seuss Week, so today is wear your clothes backwards or mismatch clothes with jeans. And tomorrow is Cat in the Hat, wear a crazy hat or your favorite Dr. Seuss attire with jeans. Scholars, you're doing an amazing job. 4th grade math, I heard you rocked it. So nice job. Keep up the good work. I also heard that we have some amazing readers in kinder, 1st, and 2nd. 3rd grade. I heard that your writing is amazing, along with the way you're able to annotate and find your textual evidence and show it. So keep up the good work, keep working hard, and we'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot hoot!